Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys some cases that I received recently from Felony Case, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. Now with everything going on right now, I'm not really sure when the giveaway winners are going to receive the cases, but I am going to be doing the case giveaway and picking 3 lucky winners to win a case each from Felony Case. Now I don't want to get into like this topic too much and stuff like that, but I really hope that everyone's like staying safe and staying home. It's not worth going out. You know, a lot of people I think because they're not showing symptoms of being sick, they still go out. And there has been like celebrities and basketball players that have tested positive and don't have any symptoms, so you can be like infected and get someone else sick. So it's just better to stay home until like quarantine's over. And yeah, just stay safe guys, be safe out there. I've been quarantining since before the quarantine, so yeah, it's been like a little while now, and I have to like just do things constantly to keep busy so I don't get bored. But I'm definitely gonna be uploading a lot more videos for you guys now that I'm back, and like what better time than now to like come back and give you guys some content, since I know everyone's like at home bored. But anyway, I'm gonna be showing you guys the cases that I got from Felony Case. They come in these nice velvety pouches, and you can store the cases in here. They have like these little drawstrings, and I did mention Felony Case before in a video. I think it was like an iPhone collection video or haul video, and these cases are great. They're so nice. When I first went out to look for cases for my iPhone 11 Pro Max, I couldn't find any cases in the store. They were just like regular, like black, like just plain cases that I've had before. So when they sent me these, I was super excited because I just love their cases. They're like really good quality and they're very stylish. So I'm gonna go through and show you guys all the cases that I have, and if you guys like any of these and you end up winning the giveaway, then you can go on the website and choose whatever case you want. They have iPhone cases from I believe 6S and up, so you get to choose a case of your choice, and Felony Case is gonna ship it out to you guys. So yeah, there's actually 5 cases. I don't have 4 pouches here, but the other case is on my phone, and I've actually been using this one recently. Sorry if my ring light is like super bright right now, but I love this black marble case. It's so nice. I put a pop socket on it myself. I've been using this one for a while. It's the black marble case, and it looks so pretty. It looks like real marble, and as you can see, like it's super shiny. So far I haven't even gotten any scratches on it, and I've been literally using this every day for the past couple weeks. And one thing I love about their cases as well is it protects the whole entire phone. So it protects the bottom and top from any scratches and dings, and I like this one because it's a little thinner but it's very protective. And when I'm playing like Call of Duty and stuff, like I just feel like my phone's like very lightweight. It's not like super bulky or heavy, but it does, like I said, give really good protection. So this is the black marble case. I'm gonna show you guys some close-ups of them as well so you guys can see what they look like. But yeah, this one's like really pretty, and I've been obsessed with this one lately. I love black, and then like black marble looks so nice. So I'm gonna try to take this one off and show you guys the other ones. I'm just gonna take each of them out and try them on so you guys can see what they look like.
Try tapping above to edit.
Siri, mind your business. I'm gonna try the other cases on so you guys can see what they look like. The next one I have here is also another marble case. This one's white marble. This one's so nice. I love white phone cases. They just make your phone look so pretty. So yeah, this one's like a white marbled colored one. It says Felony Case right here on the inside in gold. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna pop this one on and show you guys what it looks like. I actually bought a rose gold pop socket to go with this one too, and it just snaps right in. And this is what the white one looks like. A lot of people were asking in my videos how I felt about the iPhone 11 Pro Max, because I said I never got like a plus size phone. I always get like the regular size phones or whatever, but guys, I've been loving it. Like I'm so happy I went with a bigger size because like I said, sometimes I like to play COD Mobile or other like little mobile games like when I'm bored, and I just feel like it's so much easier to see it on the screen because I took someone's phone, like I borrowed someone's phone that was like the regular size, and I was like, oh my god, it felt so much smaller. I don't think you realize until like you get a bigger phone like how small that phone feels, But yeah, I'm grateful that I got this one. I have the gold 11 Pro Max. If you guys want to see like an unboxing, I'll put the link down below. I'm gonna go through and show you guys the other cases. I'm gonna show you the other case that doesn't have texture. This one is the hollow grid case, and this one's clear. I like this one a lot because it shows your phone off, like it shows the color of your phone. And I don't like to hide the color of this phone too much because it's so pretty. It's like a matte gold. So yeah, this is what this one looks like. And as you can see with the light, it's like a hologram. Like it's very simple, but it also like picks up with light, like it picks up a ton of color. It's like almost like rainbow. I don't know if you can see that there. But yeah, it's like really pretty. And I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. Like I hope it looks decent. My ring light broke. I have to buy like this little piece, and then everything's closed. Even online stores are closing. Where I got the ring light from is closed. So I kind of did like a little hack and like hung it on the thing somehow, and it worked. So hopefully the quality of this video is okay. And I do have a mic that I'm gonna be setting up for I don't know, like better sound quality. So yeah, today I'm not feeling too good, so I'm just gonna wing it, and hopefully you guys can like hear me good. But yeah, this is the hollow grid case. I love this one. This one also protects the whole entire phone, and like I said, I love this one a lot because it looks like glass and it makes your phone color pop really nicely. I think in better lighting you'll probably see it a lot better. But yeah, this is the hollow grid case. One more thing I wanted to say is these little pouches, like you could use them to store your phone cases. Like you could even put your phone in here. Like my phone fits in here just fine. You could use these for anything. Like if you're, well, I shouldn't even say if you're traveling because I don't think anyone's gonna be traveling for a while, but if you were to be traveling, you can stuff things in here like cotton balls, or I don't know, there's like so many different uses for these little pouches. They're like really good quality. So yeah, that's like one thing I love too. I just take my cases and just put them back in here and store them so they don't get dusty and stuff, because I'm actually allergic to dust, and I just store them in my drawer. But yeah, I love these like velvety pouches that come with it. It's like so nice. Alright, so the last two cases are like my favorites. I feel like these are Felony Cases, like signature cases, because if you've seen these before, you know that they come from Felony Case, just like the pattern and everything. But these are the Kaleidoscope Cases, and I ended up getting this one in matte black. One thing I love is it has like a ton of texture. I don't know if you guys can see. My camera doesn't want to focus on it, but it has like a ton of texture on the back. And these are pretty cool too because they're like, they have this like rubber thing that goes around your phone, so it's like double protection. So you just kind of snap this in like that, and then the back goes right over it and snaps very easily in place. So it's like a little more protection, and it feels like a little heavier than the other cases, but it's still very lightweight. It's not like super bulky. I usually don't like to get cases that are like really bulky and thick, because then I feel like your phone's so heavy. So I feel like these are like the perfect like thickness, and it's a really good like quality material. And I used to have this one in like this iridescent color, which I think I'm gonna purchase that one and get that one again because I love that one. But the matte black's like a favorite of mine too, because I like wearing a lot of black. As you can tell, like I'm always wearing black, and this one's like matte, so it's like, I don't know, a little bit more cool, you know. So yeah, I love this black matte black Kaleidoscope case. And the other one that I have also is a Kaleidoscope case. Let me just take this one off, and I'm gonna show you guys what that one looks like. So I saved this one for last, like save the best for last, because this one's so pretty and I love rose gold. Like, look at this one, guys. Oh my gosh, it like sparkles so much. And these are all like little tiny like studs, like it's like textured. It's like really, really nice. I haven't used this one. The only one that I've actually used is the black marble one, but I'm probably gonna put this one on my phone now because it's like so cute, you know. But yeah, this one also comes with a little rubber that goes around the phone. It's like a more clear rubber, and then the rose gold Kaleidoscope back just snaps back in. And yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this one on my phone right now because I love how like nice this one looks. But the same as the other ones, they're very protective. And this one, if you want something that's gonna catch someone's eye, I would definitely say go for this one, because it's definitely like, it's like bling, you know, but not really, because it's just studs. It's not like glitter or anything, but it's really shiny. And they also have this one in a ton of different colors. They have in like a purple, like a really deep pretty purple color, blue, gold, and there's also like a shiny black one, and the iridescent. Yeah, there's a few different ones. If you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna link Felony Case down below. So for the giveaway, it's gonna be very easy. I'm gonna choose 3 winners to win a case from Felony Case, and basically whoever wins, each person gets to choose a case from their website, like whichever case you want, and they're gonna ship it out to you. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, have your post notifications turned on, that way you guys are notified when I announce the winner, and make sure you comment down below what's your favorite color and which iPhone you have. So make sure you guys comment down below, like I said, like and subscribe. And yeah, if you guys want to see like more tech videos, let me know. I know I've been doing a lot of them lately, but I do want to get back into doing some beauty videos and lifestyle videos. I'm thinking like maybe sometime this week or next week of doing like some type of food video, like something fun. So let me know which kind of videos you guys want to see down below. And yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry, and I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.